Nestled in the heart of Bali, Kawi Mountain Temple stands as a timeless testament to the island's rich cultural tapestry. The sacred site, shrouded in both beauty and mystery, invites us to explore into its past stories. Back to the 11th century, Kawi Mountain Temple is a remarkable example of ancient Balinese architecture. Its stunning stone carvings depict tales from Hindu epics, reflecting the artistry and devotions of those who built it. Each figure tells story and prayers. More than just a historical site, Kawi Mountain Temple is a living center of spirituality. Every day, priests conduct ceremonies, offering prayers and blessings to the god. The air is filled with the scent of incense as the community comes together to honor their ancestor and seek for guidance. For Balinese Hindus, Kawi Mountain Temple is a cornerstone of their identity. Generations have gathered here for important life events such as wedding, blessing, and commemorations. The temple is not just a place of worship, but it is a vital link to their heritage and tradition. As we walk through this sacred space, we are reminded of the harmony between the nature and spirituality. The lush hillside, vibrant rice terrace, and flowing stream creates a serene backdrop and invite reflections and connections to the divine. Kawi Mountain Temple is more than just a monument. It is a living legacy, a symbol of resilience and faith. As we stand for its beauty, it's important to remember the stories and the spirit of the community that continues to thrive here. Balinese Hindus have a vital role in preserving this heritage for the future generations.
Start your next trip with Bali Sundaram Shuffle!